Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is probably something a little bit different. Yeah, a lot has happened since I've last posted YouTube. I came back from Dubai. I just bought a new car. I'm gonna let you guys see it. It's a BMW F30 2018. Now, this ain't a car that I'm selling. This is a personal car. I've done a few modifications to the car, which I'll show you guys. Not in the best place, like parking spot right now, but I'll show you guys what I've done to the car already. We got a surprise for you. This car to me is slow as hell. It's very slow. Yeah, I mean, if any of you guys got a BMW, post your BMW below, show me some photos of it, give me some inspiration. I hope my car inspires you as well. There's a lot that I'm trying to do to this car, so I bought it as a project car. I'm planning to do a bunch of things to it. Other than that, I've just been working and stuff like that, you know, getting on with life. I'll show you what I've done to the car so far, and then I'll show you what I've got in store for you guys as well for the car. So far, it's just been mods, like cosmetic mods, exterior mods, stuff that you can look at. Doesn't really affect performance, but I want to bring you guys on the journey with me. I want to show you what a BMW F30 with a B48 engine can potentially become in the future. I actually bought this car because I got inspired by a friend. He's got a white version of this car, and the stuff he's done to it is crazy, and I just fell in love and I realized, you know what, I need my own. So yeah, I'll show you the exterior mods that I've done so far, and we'll get to the little surprise on what we're doing. All right guys, so as I mentioned, I'm not in the nicest place to take this video. Yeah, cool. So with the car, I've done the V-braces. As you can see, the V-braces, they're blue. I want to go for blue because it just matches the black, and obviously my calipers are blue as well. I'll show you them. Of course, I got the icon headlights. I had a splitter before this, but it didn't actually fit on the car. Ended up coming off on the motorway, so I just threw it away. This is the splitter that's made for the F30. If you guys want to know where I got it from, just send me a message, drop a comment below. I've got 19-inch wheels on the car. All right, cool. So it's the M Sport variant. I've got M Sport mirror caps on the vehicle as well. Obviously the one with the sharp edges. Changed the indicators. So these indicators, I'll show you. They actually have the dynamic effect on them as well. Cool. Other than that, the car is black. If you look at my brakes on the car, they are the M Sport brakes, which is actually an optional extra. I've added a wing to the vehicle as well. I'm not gonna lie, this car looks really good. Wing, including some bird poo, which I need to give it a wash. So when I got it, it was washed. It's a 320i. Oh, I love those lights, man. Those lights look so good. Should have taken videos when I got it stock, but I'll drop some photos of it. I've just literally finished work, and I wanted to do this today. I couldn't be waiting for tomorrow. Today's Friday. Jummah Mubarak to everyone. Probably gonna see it later, but Jummah Mubarak anyway. So on my break at work, I went and visited R44 Performance. You're probably gonna already know what I've got once, what I'm doing to the car today once I start showing you what I've got in this bag. Shout out R44 Performance, I'm not gonna lie. They went above and beyond, even though I just bought a few simple things. So this is just like because it's Black Friday today, this is just a little Black Friday discount code thing. But they did attach stickers, R44 stickers. They've not given me one. This is one air freshener. They haven't given me one air freshener. Another air freshener, pink one, and a carbon fiber sort of texture one. A sticker. Oh, those things at the front were stickers, by the way, and this is a sticker. Now, I went and visited them, and this exact car that you're looking at was inside the garage. When I was speaking to the lady over there, she told me that they get all of their tunes done from Tom Wrigley. From there, I knew that they were not joking around. But yeah, anyway, let's get to what I bought. So basically, look, this is the funny story. What I was meant to buy, I wanted to buy it today. Well, I wanted to buy it yesterday, but I had to buy it today. And there was something I needed to use this thing. Amazon was saying it's going to come on Monday. The people that I bought it from ended up giving me one with it, but they're going to deliver it on Monday. And me, being impatient as I am, started ringing every single person, every single company I could find. That's actually how I stumbled across R44 Performance. Tried calling everyone I can, trying to get these two things. Now, these two things wouldn't make the bigger thing possible. So let's start. It will all make sense now anyway. First, we've got an RJ45 cable, which is just basically an OBD cable to an Ethernet cable. Because I've got a MacBook, but not an Android, and I've got an iPhone as well, we had to buy an Ethernet to a USB-C connector. I'm sure you could all guess right now. Basically, I've bought Bootmod3, and we're gonna stage one the car together today. I don't have a draggy or anything like that for you guys from the video to be able to tell the speed differences and stuff like that. But as far as I'm aware, stage one, I'm gonna be running the regular fuel because I'm planning to run the more expensive premium fuel when I go to stage two. Watch out for that when that happens. So I'm gonna be running stage one on regular fuel just for daily driving. Gives me a bit more sport. The car comes stock 184 brake horsepower. As far as I'm aware, stage one on boot mod with the OTS map should push it to, yeah, about 50%. But I think I will get like maybe 240 out of the car. I've got so many other things that I'm planning to do with this car, and I'm going to bring you guys on the journey, and you're going to watch the transformation. You're going to see what, you know, regular BMW M Sport you can turn it into. So cool. Yeah, I've got Bootmod3. We're going to stage 1 it today, and I'm going to bring you guys on that journey with me. Oh yeah, 2 very important things, guys, that I want to mention to you. So when you're staging your car, if you do decide to buy Bootmod, so you need to put the car in accessory mode first. Obviously, I'm not going to do it now because I'm going to do it all on my phone, so I'll put the screen recording on, and put your seatbelt on. So the reason why you put your seatbelt on is because something with the car's ECU, if the seatbelt's not on, it doesn't let you access the full ECU or something like that. Anyway, but definitely put your seatbelt on. And the way you put your car in accessory mode, no foot on the brake, you just click the power button, all the lights come up on the dash. That's you in accessory mode. All right, I recommend if you've got a weak battery as well, then you definitely want to turn off your radio, don't have heated seats on, don't have nothing that can use the battery on, basically. So essentially, because I bought it recently, I just activated it. It's very easy. All you need to do is make sure you turn on Wi-Fi. Just make sure you don't have Bluetooth on, you don't have any other nonsense on. There we go. So you can see there's on the top right, there's the 2 green, vehicle connected, internet connection. Perfect. All right, so you want to make sure that you don't have Wi-Fi on or Apple CarPlay activated. Just go into your Apple CarPlay if you have it, disconnect your device, and then it will ask you, once those 2 bars on the top right go green, it will ask you for your activation key. Put in your activation key. Obviously, this car's DME is locked by OBD, so it does unlock it for you. So now we're on the home page. As you can see, I got stock tune. I'm looking for an OTS map. All right, guys, just to clarify, so basically 91 AKI, that's basically 95 in the UK, 95 run in the UK, which is regular fuel in the UK. 93 is 97 in the UK. So 93 is basically when you're not running premium fuel, so like Supreme unleaded and BP premium, whatever it's called. That's obviously when you want to use the premium fuel. Because I'm going to be doing a daily drive with this, mostly using regular fuel. We're going to go for the 91 map. So we can click on 91. Obviously, as you can see, they have a stage 1 and stage 2. AC91 is like ethanol and stuff like that. Multi maps as well. That's fine. We're going to go with the 91 map anyway. Now, this is a OTS map. So basically, with the software, I get 1 free map. So I'm going to get the stage 191 octane map. You pay an additional like £50 if you want access to all the maps. And I recommend paying it because if you decide to go stage 2 and things like that on your car, unless you're going to a custom tuner, then I definitely recommend you to buy it. So for now, we're going to go stage 191 octane map. Yes, I'd like to acquire it, so we'll just wait for this. So once you obtain the map, it's going to come up on my map. So I've got the stock tune. That means if you ever want to go back to stock completely on the car, you can do that. So we're going to click stage 191 octane, and it's as simple as clicking flash. I have to download the stock tune as well for the car. In my opinion, I haven't used other tuning softwares yet, but Bootmod3, from my research, I watched a ton of YouTube videos, ton of forums, and I think Bootmod3 is the best. Perfect. So stage 191 octane is now ready. We're gonna flash it. Oh yeah, so you want to start with the regular method, and then it has 3 other methods. So force flash and unlock, you only use that if the if the standard flashing method fails. Force flashes, this is a comprehensive flash that may take longer to complete. And force recode, only used when experiencing software compatibility issues. So as far as I'm aware, regular flash should be good. And now we just wait for it to do that. By the way, guys, your car will most likely start throwing up a bunch of errors. It's just because it's calibrating the ECU right now. That's very normal. So if you start seeing errors on the vehicle, don't worry about it. It's going to show a bunch of things. You'll be fine. But the first flash does take longer because what it's doing is unlocking the ECU. Remember, it's a 2018 car. Unlocking the ECU is a possibility with this car. If you get anything, if I'm not mistaken, like any BMW 2019 June onwards, then you would need a bench unlock, which is a tuner can bench unlock it, so they can do it from a tuning place. But if you get a car 2021 onwards, I could be completely wrong here, then you would need to have a DME unlock, which is basically you take your DME out of your car, which is the computer, you send it over to Switzerland to a company, Femto, if I'm not mistaken, it's called a Femto unlock, and they unlock it for you, ship it back to you within 3 to 5 days, and then you can start to use Bootmod with your vehicle. All right, guys, as you can see, it's been success. It says turn the ignition off. completely turning off the car now. It says to wait about 5 seconds and then start the car. That's about it. It took about, as you can see, 5 minutes 20 seconds. So the first time you ever use Bootmod, it will always take a bit longer, but after the software is installed and things like that are done on the car, then the next time you tune it, like if you're doing a stage 2 or you're changing your burble settings or you're changing any settings or you want to map with the car, it's pretty quick. I heard it's within 2 minutes. So yeah, that's about it. We'll go back to the live camera and we'll do a little reaction. So guys, I'm gonna keep it real with you. The stage 1 on this car completely changes the car. I'm not getting a lot of burbles. I have to play around the settings, and obviously I've got a stock back box, mid silencer, stock a downpipe. But genuinely, in terms of performance, I took it for a ride. Bro, it feels like it's night and day. A lot of people have said with this stage 1, like, it completely transforms the car. This car right now is something else. The way it pulls, I was playing a bit with the throttle response, trying to make sure that it's like obviously still at the safest but maximum output, maximum capacity. I think the car is pushing 240 brake horsepower right now on complete stock internals, 60 brake horsepower increase from the 184 roughly, fully on stock internals. Bro, this car feels insane. It's the night time now, guys, so I'm gonna get to bed. And tomorrow morning we'll come back and I'll try to bring my DJI, get some runs for you guys, let you hear what the exhaust sounds like and stuff like that. All right guys, so quick one. It's a new day. As you can see, I'm dressed differently. I just got back from work again and I played with a bit of the burble settings and a bit of the settings to make sure it's maxed out for stock with stock internals. Yeah, at the beginning I wasn't getting burbles. It's because I had like the KPH where the burbles start around, I think, 10 miles an hour. I've got it on 0 now. On eco mode it doesn't burble, but on sports mode it does burble. I'm gonna try to let you guys hear it. It is very faint. Don't forget, I'm running a stock downpipe and a stock back box, so it takes away a lot of the burbles. But I'm gonna try to see if I can let you guys hear it. Get a shot with the phone outside after, but from inside the car, let's see if you can hear it. Let me see. I hope you could hear that. So I got it set to burble after 2,500, so only time I'm revving above 2,500 you'll hear it. But what I'll do, like I said, is I'll put the phone in the back and then I'll give it a rev as well. Yeah, have a good night. It's been a pleasure. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comments below. My socials will be in the bio as well, so make sure you go follow me there.